Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing.
There's a whistle sound.
Early tap.
Early tap.
Early tap.
Rodriguez dribbling the ball. Sumakal at tres. No good. Rebound by Cabalo. Cabalo ng itakabusan. Pass to Masirel. Masirel nagdadala ng bola. Pass to Campus. 15 seconds shot clock. Campus floater. Yes, correct. 2 points. Remaining time 7 minutes and 37. Saludis. Saludis dribbling the ball. Pass to Dominic. Dominic to Rodriguez. Shot clock down to 10. 10 seconds shot clock. Sandario pumakalat 3. Hey, ball. Saludis. Saludis dribbling the ball. Pass to Dominic. Natapik ni Abaw. Abaw nag-isa. Yes, correct. 2 points. Rodriguez. Rodriguez dribbling the ball. Valdez. Nakuha ni Cabalo. Cabalo pass to Campus. Campus nag-Milo. Pass to Abaw. 15 seconds shot clock. Abaw no good. Nakuha ni Valdez. Valdez nagdadala ng bola. Pass to Sagario. Sagario. Nakuha ni Masire. Pass to Cabalo. Cabalo dribbling the ball. Remaining time 6 minutes and 22. Abang pass to Amora. Yes, correct. 2 points. Saludes. Saludes ang mamadali. Saludes. No good. Rebound by Amora. Amora na kita kapasan. Pass to Campos. Campos naging isa. No good. Rebound by Sagario. Sagario na kita kapasan. Pass to Dumanig. Dumanig. Dumanig pass to Valdez. Valdez. 10 seconds shot clock. 3 seconds violation. Remaining time 5 minutes and 42. Abaw pass to Amora. Amora to Campus. Reverse no good. Nakuha ni Valdez. Valdez nang ipagkapusan. Intercept by Campus. Campus pass to Abaw. Abaw to Amora. Amora. No good. Caballo. No good pa rin. Nakuha ni Valdez. Saludes pass to Sagario. Sagario. Yes, correct. 2 points. Oh, yeah. Caballo. Caballo pass to Abaw. Abaw nakapit ni Valdez. Nakuha ni Saludes. Saludes to Dumanig. Locked by Campus. Save ball. Remaining time 4 minutes and 48. 4 minutes and 48 for the first quarter. Rodriguez. Rodriguez jumper. No good. Sagario. Sagario yes, correct. 2 points. Caballo pass to Campus. Campus. Drive. Yes, correct. Dumanig. Dumanig nagmamadali. Steal by Caballo. Caballo to Campus. Campus. No good. Rebound by Valdez. Valdez ang itakapasan. Pass to Sagario. Sagario dribbling the ball. Sagario nagharangan. No good. Nakuha ni Masiren. Masiren to Abaw. Abaw, yes, correct. 2 points. Dumanig. Dumanig ankle break. Pass to Sagario, yes, correct. 2 points. Campus. Campus pass to Caballo. Caballo fake. Floater, yes, correct. 2 points. Dumanig. Still by Campus. Campus dribbling the ball. Remaining time 3 minutes and 30. Abaw pass to Caballo. What a pass. Time up.
Tubiging, tubiging.
Nice ka.
Tubig, baka huwi kayo.
Ay, lagi ko na.
Tagaan.
Rodriguez. Rodriguez dribbling the ball. Rodriguez nang itakapasan. Pass to Valdez. Valdez. Caballo. Remaining time 3 minutes. Still by Dumanig. Wow. Rodriguez. Rodriguez kumera na 3 points.
Idol ko ba? Balik, balik, tubong!
Score 6 against 14. And 9-9. Caballo. Caballo pass to Abaw. Abaw to Campus. 10 seconds shot clock. Campus. 3 points.
Shot.
Dumanig. Dumanig. Campus. Campus besto Caballo. Anderson by San Luis. Remain time 2 minutes and 8. Valdez, yes, correct, 2 points.
Atabang, King.
Campus, yes, correct, 2 points. Remaining time 2 minutes.
Dribble. 8 seconds, oh.
Intercept by Abaw. Abaw drive, yes, correct, 2 points. Ano lagi na ganina?
Atag.
Sagario nakita kapasan press to Dumanig. Tumira ng press. No good. Rebound by Valdez. Valdez pumaposte. Buwak. Dumanig.
Atabang. Mura.
Still by Valdez again. Yes, correct, 2 points. 16 and 4. Caballo.
Short.
No good. Agawan ang buko. In out of bounds. Score 16 against 21 in favor of Team B.
5 points.
Last 1 minute for the first quarter. Bumanig. Jersey number 8 cash to jersey number 11 Rodriguez. Pumukol ang 3. Rebound by Caballo. Caballo pass to Campus. Campus step back. Pass to Abaw. Yes, correct, 2 points. Michael Samabang foul. Foul jersey number 15. Jersey number 15 got his first personal foul. First personal foul, first team foul. Abaw, no good. Rebound by Saludes. Pass to Dumanig. 35 seconds. Shot clock down to 10. Pass to Valdez. Valdez jumper. 21 seconds. No more shot clock. Yes, correct. 2 points. Campus. Dumanig step back. 3. Yes, correct. 3 points. 5 seconds. 3 points.
Hey kid,
Abaw.
don't ever let them get inside your
Running
head.
score, 19
They'll tell you what to do in life instead
instead.
of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I used to